And the race on Speed Sands. Fast to begin, moving up by the rail is Spanish drums on the outside, Treasure Hunter. Dancing tight down on the inside, rushing up State Witness. Tell Me No Lies, racing six, running by the rail is Lady Diamond Dancing Storm. Lady Southern War Star is running at the tail of the field. Speed Sands, the favorite, followed by entry number 5 is Spanish Drums, rushing up State Witness together with Treasure Hunter. Is State Witness and by the rail Speed Sands. Treasure Hunters racing in third. Is Spanish Drums racing in fourth from the outside. Dancing Storms as they race the final corner. Is State Witness by Hapalan. Is Speed Sands down on the inside and nearing the finish line. Is Speed Sands regains the lead and by the rail Spanish Drum. Speed Sands Spanish Drum is sneaking by the rail, but still Speed Sands and still Speed Sands and finally Speed Sands close with Dancing Storms.